Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's introduce myself. My name is Julia Graini from Accounting 3C. I will present methodology assessment with the detailed calculation of cost of production with full costing method Permata MSMAS. There are sub-chapters that I will discussion. One, background, formulation of the problem, research purpose, benefit, literature review, research methodology, and schedule of activity. Background: micro, small, and medium enterprise are one of the drive of the people economy and are one of the industry that compete in economy in Indonesia. The problem that MSMEs often experiment is calculating the cost of production so that management seems bad. Determining the cost of good manufacture incorrectly will affect the cost of goods sold and the profit regenerated. Permata MSMAS is MAS that product back from padwork. In determining the cost of production, the MSMAS still use simple calculate. So in determining the cost of production, many costs that should be charged are not included in the calculation of the cost of production. Permata MSMAS only calculate them from their income and expense. Based on this, research are interested in conducting research on Permata MSMAS regarding the cost of production as an alternative from company in calculate the cost of production. Formula on the problem. 1. How is the production data calculated from Permata MSMAS in December 2023? 2. How are the costs charged for Permata MSMAS production calculated? 3. How is the cost of goods factored using the full costing method calculated for MSMAS December 2023? After research purpose. 1. Calculating production data for Permata MSMAS in December 2023. 2. Calculate the cost charged to Permata MSMAS production. 3. Calculate the cost of production use the full costing method. Benefit. 1. Can increase knowledge and insight as well as implement the theory and knowledge gained during lecture in the Diploma 3 Accounting Program Study, especially regarding the cost of good manufacture use the full costing method. 2. Can provide input and consideration for Permata MSMAS to prepare the cost of production for the next period. 3. Can be used information and educational reference for student, especially accounting major, and material for consideration in preparing the final assessment. Literature review. Meaning of cost. According to Purwanji et al. 2018-10, costs are sacrifices of result measured in unit of money which have occurred or are likely to occur in company effort to obtain goods and service. Klasifikasi cost. 1. Cost classification based on company function. 2. Activity-based cost classification. 3. Classification on cost by cost object. 4. Classification of cost by department. 5. Classification of cost based on loading time. 6. Cost classification based on management control. 5. Cost classification based on discussion make. Under cost of cost production. According to Mulyadi 2018-14, the cost of production is the cost incurred to process raw material into finished product that are ready to be sold. Calculation method for cost of good production. 1. Full costing method. Full costing is form of production price method that take in account all components of production cost, include fixed asset and variable price for factory overhead cost, direct labor cost, and raw material cost. 2. Variable costing method. Variable costing is method of determining of cost of production which only charge variable production cost into the product cost. There is cost accounting system for cost of good production through cost price system and predetermined basic system. Reset methodology understanding according to Sugiono 2016 2. Reset method are basically a scientific way to obtain data with certain purpose and use. Data qualification. 1. According to its nature. The qualitative data and the quantitative data. The qualitative data in this research is the organizational structure, duty and responsibilities of people, as well as production process at Permata MS/MAS. The quantitative data in this research are raw material, labor cost, factory overhead cost, and production data on Permata MS/MAS. 2. According the source. There is primary key data and secondary data. Primary key data, this research are the result of interview and observation regarding production data carried out by Permata MS/MAS. Secondary data in this research, namely company history, organizational structure, and production activity of Permata MS/MAS. Grade method. Description method. This is method research explain the general description of the company history, organization structure, as well as the duties and responsibilities of Permata MS/MAS employee. Exposition method. This method is used to explain to comparison between the calculation of the cost of production applied by the company and the calculation of the cost of production used the full costing method in December 2023. Data collection technique. Interview. The data collection technique in this research was carried out by meaning of the verbal question and answer with Permata MS/MAS owner. Observation. Data collection of observation was carried out by directly observing the production process Permata MS-MES. Data analisis teknik, data comparison, weighting system, chapter 1 introduction, chapter 2 literature review, chapter 3 research methodology, chapter 4 discussion result, chapter 5 closing. This is schedule my research 5-month and activity. This is my video. Thank you for attention. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.